What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be ice fishing for pike and walleye. We got 2 rods inside the shack and 2 tip-ups outside. I'm going to be showing you my gear and hooks and what I'm catching them on. So that's going to be it, and let's get into the video. So this is the combo I'm using. It's an Ugly Stik Ice Runner. It's a pretty nice rod. I got it for $15 at Canadian Tire. I'll put a link to where you can get this rod. It's a pretty nice rod. I got a jig head with a minnow on, and that's basically all we're using. And I got the same outside for my tip-ups. I'll show you the tip-ups outside. So that's the tip-ups outside that we have. Mine's on the right and my brother's is on the left. So yeah, it's a pretty nice rod, 36 inches. It's a bit of a big rod, but it can handle some pretty nice fish. It's not a sensitive rod, but it's a medium heavy rod. It's pretty stiff, but it can handle some big pike, big walleye, like anything up to 12 pounds. So it's a pretty nice rod. So this is the hook I'm using. It's actually not a jig. The jig that I'm using is outside right now, but I don't know what this hook is called, but it works pretty good for pike and walleye. So it's in a fire tiger color, so I really like this hook. So yeah. So what I'm doing with these hooks is I feel for the bottom, and once I hit the bottom, I can feel the bottom right now. I'll reel it up like a foot or two. So just a couple cranks, like a foot or two, and then I'll just put it in my rod holder. Just gonna check the depth of it. There's the bottom. So you can tell when you hit the bottom when your line will go loose. So once your line goes tight, that's the bottom right there. It's tight right now. So I'm gonna reel it up a foot or two. So that's about a foot. So that'll be good for what I'm catching, pike and walleye. Right now we're just cooking up some hot dogs. I don't know if I already showed you this, guys, but we got an underwater camera. Can't really see much right now because there's a lot of shrimp in front of it. But as you can see, we can move it around here. But there isn't really much to see because, as you can see, someone chummed the water with like sucker or a bait fish or something. So we can't really see much. So there's a bottom, but there's lots of stuff down there. So we can't really see much on there. I just got this nice pike on. I don't know if you recorded it, but I might have got it on my GoPro. So this is a pike Evan caught. We're gonna fillet it right now. It's a bit frozen, but we'll try to fillet it. It was 27 inches. Caught it at about 1 or 2. So kind of frozen. So I got both of the fillets done. Now I just gotta finish them. Gotta get that rib cage out on just a cup, one of them or something. So that's gonna be it for today, and we managed to catch one pike, but nothing else. No walleye, but we'll see what we can catch tomorrow, and I'll see you in the morning. So that's about it, and I'll see you when I'm fishing. See ya. What's up, guys? It's day 2 of the ice fishing adventure, and I got 3 rods inside. My brother's got 1, I got 2, and we got a tip up outside. So that's gonna be it, and we'll let you know if we catch any fish. So let's get into the video. There's a decent pike right there.
Oh, it turned off. I think your camera's
No, it's on. There's the pike right there. Look at the back on it. It's bad. So right now, guys, we're just filleting the pike. My brother started on his, and then I'm gonna fillet mine. We just open up the pike's belly, and there's a walleye or a pike or something in it. So that's pretty cool. And that one has eggs in it too. So this was my pike. It was 29 inches. It's pretty good. This is a pretty good pike for the body of water we fish in. As you can see, there's like a bump on its body. I don't know what caused that, but kind of cool though. So I don't know what that is, but. So we just finished filleting both the pike. Caught 2 pike today and 1 yesterday. We caught 3 pike in the 2 days, so it wasn't that bad, but it could have been better. That's gonna be it for the video. I post fishing related videos and stuff like that. I also post tips and tricks and stuff like that. And that's gonna be it for the video, and I'll see you in the next one.